How to turn off unnecessary or unwanted notification on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to see how you can turn off your unwanted notification on Android. If your phone keeps buzzing and uh, it shows you useless alerts, ads, or random pop-ups, I'll show you how you can silence everything. So let's just get started. First thing first, you want to go ahead and turn on notifications per app. So you can turn it off. Go to settings. Then from here, find notification set bar. Then you can easily find app notification up top. You can change notification settings for each app. And as you can see here, you can easily toggle off notification for each app. Let's say on my WhatsApp, I get a pop-up message every time I get a message and I don't want that. You can just tap on it, customize it, and to turn off pop-up notification, you can just toggle it off and you'll be good to go. Then you have another option. So if your pop-up message keeps popping up on your lock screen, you can mute the lock screen notification. Tap on show or hide content when locked. You can easily choose to show content or hide when locked. This will also help you. The next step is to disable your notification dots and badges. You can do that by going over to notification settings, and then from there, you can just go ahead and tap on notification pop-up style, and it's going to show you the brief or detailed pop-up notifications. Now from here, you want to go over to advanced settings and then turn off your app notification badge. So you can easily tap on app icon badges, and if there is dot or numbers, you can easily disable it by toggling this button off, and you won't get any annoying badges or dots for your notification. And finally, if you want full silence at night or when studying, you can turn on the do not disturb mode. It will block all alerts except for alarms and allowed contacts. So just go ahead and tap on do not disturb and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.